Hi, this is the SONY Xperia XA2 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google Assistant option on this device. So open first the Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. After that, tap to voice section and click to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, click once on the switcher and after that, click here to more, I agree, once again to I agree, to next. And now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated and assistant to recognize your voice. You could add your voice model, so click here retain voice model and after that just repeat after assistant, tap to finish and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.